We're now going to proclaim April 2023 as Sikh Awareness and Appreciation Month. Would Harvinder Kang and members of the Sikh community please join me for this presentation? We also have Taran Singh with us on Zoom. So Harvinder, if you could come up and join me. Yep. And those that want to join can feel free to gather around as I read the proclamation and present it. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being here. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. This is an important month for our Sikh community. I'm going to go off script for just a moment. I ran into Taran Singh, who was doing volunteer work in the city of Newark, as he often does, picking up litter and trash over near the Don Edwards Wildlife Refuge. It's efforts by Taran Singh and members of the Sikh community that help beautify our great city of Newark, and we're certainly appreciative of their efforts to make sure that Newark is a great place to live, work, and play. Whereas Sikhs have been living in the United States for more than 120 years, and during the early 20th century, thousands of Sikh Americans worked on farms, in lumber mills and mines, and on the Western Pacific Railroad lines. And whereas Sikhism is the 5th largest religion in the world, and today there are more than 25 million Sikhs and more than 500,000 Sikh Americans. And whereas Sikh Americans pursue diverse professions and make rich contributions to the social, cultural, and economic vibrancy of the United States, including service as members of the United States Armed Forces, and significant contributions to our great nation in agriculture, information technology, small businesses, the hotel industry, trucking, medicine, technology, and many more. Whereas Sikh Americans distinguish themselves by fostering respect among all people through faith and service. Whereas the city of Newark is committed to educating citizens about this world's religions, the value of religious diversity, tolerance, grounded in the First Amendment principles, a cultural of mutual understanding, and the diminishing of violence. Now, therefore, I, Michael Hannon, Mayor of the City of Newark, on behalf of my Newark City Council members, do hereby proclaim the month of April as Sikh Awareness and Appreciation Month in Newark, and urge all Newark residents to take the opportunity to better understand, recognize, and appreciate the rich history and shared experience of Sikh Americans. Now, therefore, I've signed this proclamation, and I'm proud to present it to Arvind and ask you if you'd like to say a few words, my friend. Sure. You want to stand in front? Let's stand in front. Go ahead, my friend.
Honorable Mayor Hannon, esteemed city staff members, and fellow resident of Newark, I'm humbled and grateful to be standing before you all today as we come together to celebrate the proclamation of April 2023 as Sikh Awareness and Appreciation Month in our beloved city of Newark. This acknowledgement of our community's history, culture, and contribution deeply touches my heart and fills me with pride. First and foremost, I would like to extend my sincerest appreciation to everyone who has made this proclamation a reality. A special thanks go to our diligent city staff members Sheila Harrington and Kathy Slafter, and our visionary Mayor Mike Hannon. Your unwavering commitment to foster diversity and inclusivity in our community is truly commendable. I also want to acknowledge Taranjit Singh, who is with us via Zoom, for his invaluable efforts in this cause. Sikhi, or often incorrectly referred as Sikhism, is a monotheistic faith originating from Punjab region of South Asia, with the birth of Guru Nanak Ji in 1469. Our religion is founded on the principle of love, compassion, and ideas of universal fraternity. With its rich history spanning several centuries, Sikh Americans have made significant contributions to our cultural, social, and economic landscape of this nation over 100 years. By declaring April as Sikh Awareness and Appreciation Month, the city of Newark emphasizes the importance of education and understanding regarding Sikh history and culture. While the FBI reports that Sikhs are among the most targeted religious groups for hate crimes, our community in Newark has been met with nothing but warmth and acceptance. This proclamation provides a platform for fostering mutual understanding, respect, and unity among our diverse communities. This proclamation also stands as a testament to the diversity and inclusivity that defines the city of Newark and serves to strengthen the bond of fellowship and community among us. In closing, I once again extend my deepest gratitude to Mayor Hannon, the City Council, and our city staff for meaningful proclamation. Your leadership and dedication to promote diversity and inclusivity had made Sikh community feel at home here in Newark. We pledge to continue enriching and contributing to our shared community to best of our abilities. Thank you. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Really appreciate it. Thank you, sir. Really appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, sorry.
Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. Good to see you. Good to see you guys. Good to see you. Good to see you. Thank you so much. Nice to see you. Nice to see you.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you, Mary.
Thank you. My pleasure, my friend.
Noticed as Ms. Mayor Mike Hannon mentioned, we just met during a cleaning event, and this happened on the fly. We didn't have any planning. So I totally, from my bottom of my heart, thanks Mike Hannon for making this happen, and all the city staff for making this happen in such a short time. And I miss being there personally, but I'll make it happen next time. So thank you very much, and thank you for the support that you have given to us. It means a lot to the Sikh community worldwide, not just in Newark, but worldwide. Thank you. I appreciate it a lot.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਓ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਓ ਨਿਊਯਾਰਕ ਵਾਲੇ ਆਓ
ਠੀਕ
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੜੋ
ਬਸ ਆਗੇ
ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ
ਸੋ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਆ ਰਲ ਮਿਲ ਕੇ ਸੋ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕਿ ਇੱਕ ਵਧੀਆ ਸਟੈਪ ਹਿਸਟੋਰਿਕ ਇਵੈਂਟ